Hey guys, I don't know how good this is going to show up. It's kind of dark in this room. Got somebody here that's won't leave me alone. Anyways, I collect vintage equipment, and some of it is electronic, two-way radio stuff. And I actually have a set. What this is a modulator, audio modulator with an external speaker. And what I'm doing here is just cleaning it up inside and out using this stuff. I don't know. It seems to be working pretty good. For electronics. It dries fast, sprayed on. So I kind of started inside, and that's what it is. It's just a little circuit board, clean the circuit board with one tube that is for the audio circuit. And then, as you can see, I started using this brush to clean it up and trying to make it nice and clean. And what I'll do is I'll do that front, back, inside, clean the cords, make sure that they're all connected. Yeah, this is just one of the pieces. I've got two other pieces that will still have to be cleaned up, the transmitter as well as the receiver. So got your selector on off switch, and then you got the gain, and it's for signals, probably like a RF gain or something like that, or maybe gain for the audio side, so you could turn the gain to get more audio out of the transmitter. So anyways, yeah, just a short little video here. I like to collect these old stuff, and then basically I just clean them up and put them in as my collection. But there's the external speaker, and yeah, it's been sitting for a long time. I bought it from somebody that was into old radio equipment. My father passed away, so they were selling all the equipment, so I just picked it up for pretty reasonable. I actually bought two of these. I already did kind of a restoration on the other one, but I don't even think if I even made a video, I'm not even sure. But anyways, yeah, just an old modulator, RF modulator, and then a speaker, external speaker. Okay, guys. See ya.